a hybrid active noise cancellation, Bluetooth 5.4 version with 10 meters distance, IPS5 rating for water and soil. This is the FreePods Pro Plus. This device costs 669 Ghana cedis, equivalent to $43.20. And with that, you can get a special discount if you use the discount code Kwame20, and it works for Nigeria, Kenya, and Cameroon users only. So make sure you check the link in the description and grab this opportunity. So the FreePods Pro Plus came in this nice box with this black box containing all the accessories you need for the earbuds. So let's check it out. So inside the box, you get all the accessories you need to be able to use this FreePods Pro Plus. So this is the welcome guide for the FreePods Pro. It contains all that you need to control and use the device. So this is the protective case that comes, the free protective case you get. You also get a USB to Type-C cord, of which you can use to charge your device anytime it runs out of battery. Then also you get this ANC multifunctional touchpad you can use to control the device. So this is how the FreePods Pro looks in the box. This silver color with some nice coating. So let's check it out. Yeah, so it has oraimo written boldly at the back side of it. Yeah, so this is how it looks, and it has this beeping red and green whenever you're about to use it, and it stays at green anytime that you pair with your device. And it has dual connectivity. So this is the ear tips. It's 4. You have the big and the small ear tips that comes with the FreePods Pro. Yeah, so let's check how it looks with the free protective case. Yeah, so let's sync the FreePods Pro Plus with the oraimo sounder. First of all, you need to connect it via Bluetooth before you connect it with the oraimo sound app, so you can control all the features that comes with the oraimo sound app. Yeah, so this is me playing a video on my phone to check the sound quality and everything with the oraimo sound app. Yeah, so this is how the FreePods Pro fits in your ears. I'll let my friend here demonstrate. It really looks nice in the ears, but might be a problem with those who has small ears. Or you can even change the ear tips so you can able to fit well. It also comes with a deep heavy bass, and you get a total of 32 hours initial playtime with active noise cancellation on, and it also has a transparency mode and 48 hours playtime with an active noise cancellation off, of which you can toggle on and off anytime you are using this device.